All right, so I want to install some child safety locks on dressers here so the girls aren't, they're only two. They like to empty out their dresser when they're not being, when they're trying to sleep in there. We actually got a bed for them. So as you can see, I'm just holding it in place. I'm going to take a pen and mark where that goes. The most important part is the height. Then I'm going to take this whole drawer out and I already started this earlier, but I wasn't sure about the height. Don't want to drill through the front. Yep, there we go. Then the screws in here. Get in there. As you see, I did a pilot on both sides because this is just pine. I don't want it to split out, so I just did a little pilot hole, so less wood for the screw to displace, but it'll still grip plenty good. There we go, nice and solid. Let's put the drawer back. Show you here, I've got it you want it just so it clears as it's going in, and then it'll boom, lock. If I try to pull it out now, it won't go. Then all you gotta do is push it down and pull it out. Real easy to do. I'm only gonna put one on each drawer. I want to make it too hard for the adults to get in, but that should be enough to keep the girls from emptying the dresser drawers on me. All right, so I did the second drawer. It's working beautiful. Latches, locks. So if you have something where the underside is smooth, which is entirely possible, the kits come with these little latches. And you put this in there, and you put it for the smooth side toward the front, like that. And then that way when it slides in there, I'm going to show you that. When it slides in there, this is on the edge, it'll push it down, and then I have something to latch on. But this happens to be hollow up in underneath here. So when this goes in, it actually catches. But it's entirely possible that you have something, or a surface, maybe a cupboard or something that you're doing, that it would be smooth. So this allows it to have an edge to latch on.